Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix missing watch history on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, let's get into TikTok app, and it might be because you have turned off your watch history. So let's get into profile icon and click on this three-line icon here, and click on settings and privacy, and click on activity center. And in some of the versions, we'll be able to see turn on and off option on watch history, but it is not available here. So if it is not available on turning off or on, you can simply get back, click on profile and click on your three-line icon and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on report a problem. And there is no option for watch history, so scroll down and click on report and click on chat with us. Here we need to write that we are unable to view our watch history. Once you are done writing the message, simply click on this send icon over here on the right, and your problem will finally be addressed and solved. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.